Double check. Okay. Hey man, I'm gonna be restoring a 2013 Air Jordan 1 Chicago that I bought from Facebook for $50. Take two. Air Jordan 1 Chicago. I'm Jay. Let's go. This is Air Jordan 1. Hey, I'm Jay. This is Air Jordan 1 Chicago restoration and restoration. Yeah. This is the Air Jordan 1 Chicago 5 size 10. It came with this box, Adidas Stan Smith size 10. The problem with this is it's dirty. It has extremely yellow, so creases, scuffing, and ang daming butas. Plus the sole separation. The sole spreading. Still recording? Okay, good. So this is the Jordan 1, and we are gonna wear it before we clean it, and after we clean it, transition. Okay, what do we need for this restoration? Quick rundown. Shoe trees, cotton balls, acetone, masking tape, don't get the cheap ones, toothpicks, barged infinity cement, sole sauce or oxidizing cream. It's the same thing, I think. Scissors, kitchen wrap, cling wrap, whatever you call this, an X-Acto knife. Okay, I didn't use this. Crack cement, leather paint from Angelus, and brushes. I lost the footage of the brushes. Duller for the paints. A heat gun. Be careful. It's hot. Sandpaper. Matte finisher. I don't know if this is the correct matte finisher, but whatever. And new laces from Hyper Laces. Brand new wax laces that I say laces a lot. And syempre, the cleaning kit from Clyde with brushes and oh my god, it's open. Hello there. Okay, where am I? Clyde, hit me up, Clyde. So first things first, take out the laces. Bye, laces. Okay, take them out. Then insert your shoe tree. Gently insert it inside the shoe. Inside, gently. Then what else? Start cleaning. You should clean your shoe in a circular motion for a more circular feel. I won't. Okay, whatever. As you see, the shoe greatly improves after cleaning. I didn't even want to paint it. So this shows the importance of shoe cleaning. And with Clyde, one of the best. Hit me up, Clyde. So I did 2 passes just because I wanted to. So into the washing machine it goes. After the drying, I noticed the sole separation spread, so I had to fix it first. Strip the old glue using acetone, then when it's clean, I use the barge cement with toothpicks so it won't glue together. I waited for 10 minutes, added heat with a heat gun.
I never really saw you coming until you turned me around. I used to think I was nothing until you turned me around.
Careful with the heat gun. I burned my thigh with that thing. The shoe slipped and caught the shoe. I let go of the heat gun and I branded myself, so I really don't like the heat gun. Anyway, after doing that, we're gonna put soy sauce on the midsole because of the yellowing in midsole. Paint it all over, then cover it with cling wrap or kitchen wrap, whatever you call it. I didn't expect the soy sauce to smell like conditioner. So put the kitchen wrap, then leave it in the sun for an hour or more each side. Then you see we are switching from one side to another, then so on and so forth. Actually, I did this for 2 days for about 3 hours each, so it was really long because it was raining that day and there was so little sun. So after the sun, it's super clean, smells so good. We stripped the factory finish with cotton balls and acetone. I also sanded the leather because of the uneven parts and the scuffing. I did wet sanding, by the way, but I didn't see any difference from normal sanding and wet sanding. They said it was better for the leather. I don't know. I used 400 grit, 1000 and 2000 grit. Before fixing the cracks and holes, I planched the toe box because I didn't want the toe box to be creased. So the crease didn't actually disappear. It had some left there, but I didn't want to burn my first pair of Jordans. So maybe next time I can leave it more or hotter, or I don't know. Then I use the Kakao crack solution. The thing is, don't use a heat gun on it. You have to wait for it to dry naturally because it wouldn't stick. The thing that happened to me was the outside portion was dry and the inside portion was wet. So when I used sandpaper, it became a mess. So don't do it because it wouldn't stick. And it wouldn't stick and you'll be angry and you're frustrated and you can't do anything good with your life and you're trying to fix shoes for the entertainment of people you don't know, then you can't even do that. So listen to me, do it right the first time. I lost the footage with the holes. Basically it's the same. You have to wait for it to dry before you have to sand it with a 400 grit, the 1000, the 2000. Then after that, voila, it's done. It's finally holeless. Holy moly. Now it's masking time. This is my fault. I'm masking the Jordan tag on the tongue, but no one can see what's happening. So just take my word, I did a perfect job on the tongue. It's a perfect no. splatter, no mess, no nothing. It's perfect. Trust me. Perfect. I pre-mixed the paint, Angelus white with 2 drops of Duller on the tongue. Same with the red. The white on the shoe I mixed with 20% cream with 80% white and 2 drops of Duller to make that retro off-white color. As you see, I lost the footage again. I have to buy a new camera because I can't keep using footage like this. It's the first episode. God. Now I'm done removing the mask now, then making little touch-ups. On with the hyper laces, very premium laces. These are wax laces that I bought for something I forgot. So these are nice. These are nice wax laces. So they're perfect for the shoe. I wanted to buy the white one, but I think I should keep it on the black first. Look at the difference from crappy old sneakers to crappy new sneakers. The crispy, flavorful potatoes and less sour cream. So I forgot to film myself spraying the shoe with matte finisher. Well, it looks exactly like this, just without laces. And now we are done. Finally, 2 days weekend wasted. So back to me. It's done, and we did the shoes. Let's go. Okay guys, this is my first video, so be kind, comment what you thought about it. Should I make more videos? Should I just stop making videos? I don't know. As you can see by my walking from the video, I was enjoying basketball. That's why I'm making shoes now, because I can play. So hit me up if you're from Manila, and if you're not in Manila, hit me up too. I'm only gonna do restorations for myself and my friends, so let's be friends. Shout out to Law and Jeron for their help. Thanks, man. Cost me around 5,000 pesos of stuff to make this. So 8,000 for a Jordan 1 Chicago. Not bad. Almost retail. So what? Anyway, follow me on Instagram because I have like 5 followers. Subscribe, like, subscribe, like, comment if you want more, whatever. I'm gonna leave you with this wasted footage that I can't use. Till the next one, love you, peace out.